Hello, my name is Nicholas. I am founder and technical lead at Formula Pi. Today I'm going to show you how to copy a set of data until the last piece of data. In this instance, we're going to copy from A1 to A13 where the value is 150. We're going to utilize our macros today and also the record macro function. And we're going to transpose this data into, let's say, column or row number D2. That'll be fine. So let's start. We're first going to record, and we'll call this Formula Pi. Copy till last, sure, whatever you want to call it. And when you record a macro, it's going to do exactly what this says. It's going to record everything that you're doing on the screen, not like how you're seeing it right now, but in actual code format. So when I copy this, so if I would do this manually, so what we don't want to do is do this manually. We want to have the computer do it. It's going to show us that what the actual transpose code is, and it'll be fine to delete that for now. So let's stop recording. Now that we have that, I'll show you where to find it. You go into your macros in Formula Pi, copy till last. That's our macro name. We're going to edit this. As you'll see, it shows that we selected our range A1 through A13, which is right here, and the selection.copy. So that's good. So you're seeing what we need right now. And then it says that we clicked D2, and then from there we went to paste special, and we pasted everything that was in there, and the transpose is true, so that's exactly what we did. So let's go ahead, and this line just says it's going to clear the content. That's fine. We don't need that. We don't need that line. We'll copy it and we'll paste it into D2, so it'll be fine as well. So we won't need any of those. And let's start. So up here you have your sub, Formula Pi. That's the name, and this is very important to have at the end of everything. It's end sub, and anything you want to say in here is just going to be commented out by this little comma there, or comma. So those won't apply to your code. So we'll just erase that. All this can be erased. So what we're going to do is we're going to write with range. We're going to start in A1 because that's where our value is. And then we are going to type in range dot. Now it's asking us for our cells. Row. Okay, this is very important. It differs from our A1 nomenclature that you're going to find in the in your regular formula spreadsheet up here in your f of x equals. This is all numbers. So row 1 is row 1. Column A is actually 1. Column B is 2, C 3, and so forth. So our row index is 1, and our column is 1. Perfect. And we're going on to the next one. So we've highlighted our first cell, and cell 2 is going to be equal to, this is where our code comes into place, and we want to go to the end, and it's asking us down, left, right, or up, and we're going to go down because that's where our numbers lie. Oops. Close that out. Dot cells once again, and we're telling it where to start so it knows what we're doing, and then just a simple copy. So you've started your with function here, so you have to then end the with, just like you're ending your sub as well. And we don't need these extra lines. It won't hurt if you leave them in there, but let's not do that. And like I said, we're gonna transpose this data into D2. You could save. You don't need to. It just saves itself, and we're gonna exit out. Make sure it's not doing that, and hopefully we can get this to transpose this data. So let's run this macro. Voila, there it goes. So it recognized that A13 was the last piece of data, and it transposed it into cell D2 through P2. So I hope this helps in whatever spreadsheet you're working with. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to check out this new Formula Pi tutorial. Thank you.